Guys, it's Boomer7221. I'm here with Molly Lily 2000. She's one of my buddies. She's one of my buddies. She's really beta. She's really beta. Yeah, look at her list. It's so cool. Her list is so cool. She said she was gonna send me something to make me happy. So, close eyes. I hope you like. Okay. Find the mousers. Okay, I'm closing my eyes. Okay, I clicked it when I'm not looking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, you're keep. OMG. Thank you. Thank you. OMG, thank you! Every panda plushie! I got every panda plushie! I want to hug my panda. I want to hug my panda. Yay! Oh my god, thank you so much! Huge shout out to Molly Lily 2000. Oh my gosh, thank you! Thank you so much! She is so beta. Oh my gosh, she is so beta and she is so cool. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. This is Boomer7221. Another huge shout out! I got to click your tag. Another huge shout out. Big shout out to her. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Boomer7221. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, bye. Thank you. Guys, this is Boomer7221. This is Molly Lily right after my video. She was the one who sent me the Epic Panda plushie. She was the one. She was the one who sent me the Epic Panda plushie. I'm editing the video right now. I'm editing the video. She was the one who sent me the panda plushie. So, hi Molly Lily. Hi again. She sent me the video. Okay, I'm opening it. One's more gift, really beta. Okay, I'm closing my eyes again. I can't wait. Okay, closing my eyes. I clicked it, but I'm not looking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, she didn't! No, she didn't! Oh my gosh! No, she didn't! Oh my god, gumbo machine! Oh my gosh, she gave me a gumbo machine! Oh my gosh! I'm freaking out! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Thank you, one. Oh my gosh! She did not send me that! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Thank you, Molly! Oh my god! Thank you so much! Oh my gosh! Thank you! OMG! Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Molly Lily. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I think it's happening. Oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Humongous shout out to Molly Lily. Humongous shout out. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you, Molly Lily. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Boomer7221. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, bye. Oh, honey. Thank you, bye.